Hi guys, welcome. If you don't know me, I'm Michael Tucci, the CEO. Hopefully you know me by now. I want to talk to you a little bit about our vivid vision. And a lot of people ask me, well, what is it? The vivid vision is the best tool that I have to take what's in my head and get it out through the company. They say the hardest thing for a CEO to do is communicate all his ideas accurately and easily to the people around him. So to that end, we put some thought. We created hopefully a fairly simple diagram that's backed up by as much explanation as you'd like. But for us, the next 3 years are all about transforming from a manufacturing company that uses technology to a technology company that happens to manufacture. What does that mean for us? It means we're going from analog to digital. It means that we are going to push the envelope on what's possible in a modern manufacturing company of our size. We are going to be digitizing many of the things that we used to rely on people for. And we'll be using people for many of the things that we used to think could only be done by machines. The idea is I want our people to be free to be creative and free to be analytical and help us sell and help us buy better and to not be mired in transactions. Because at our core, we're not very good at it. We're great at being creative. We're great at being analytical, and I want that for each and every person that works for us. But I want you to help us down this journey. I want you to help us push the envelope. Ask why not? Why couldn't we do this digitally? I think it's really exciting stuff, and I think that we're going to create a name and a brand that is synonymous with pushing the limits and redefining what it means to be a modern manufacturing company. So feel free to read it. Come ask me questions. Ask anybody questions you want. We're all here to help. And the only way this works is if we all don't just read it, but we all live it. So I'm relying on each and every one of you to help make this come true. Share it with whoever you want. Thanks.